So you want to know why shiitake mushrooms are good for you? Well, look no further. In today's video, I'm going to discuss the health benefits, and after I do that, there's a good chance you'll want to include some in your diet. Welcome to True Freedom Permaculture, where I show you all the tips and tricks you need to have a green thumb, even if you weren't born with one. Shiitake mushrooms for medicinal use can be traced back to China about 5,000 years ago, and they're well known for their immunomodulating abilities. And it's just what it sounds like. They help to assist the body in regulating its immune system. It's also cold and flu season here, so I know a lot of people that would appreciate this right about now. They also contain phytonutrients, which help to keep the cells from sticking to the insides of your blood vessel walls, and they help to promote good circulation and lower your blood pressure. They're also said to help prevent the effects of aging. Shiitakes are a great source of vitamin B, and they also can pack a powerful punch of vitamin D. Did you know that dried shiitakes actually offer for substantially higher levels of vitamin D2 when they're sun-dried? And it's said that the Japanese and the Chinese know this already, and they make it a common practice to sun-dry their mushrooms. Whereas here, I don't think we are aware of that as much. And we're all very busy during these times, so the good news is that you can purchase sun-dried shiitakes. These are mine that I purchased. These are Korean, and they come, I like to order in bulk, but I'll show you. So these are shiitake mushrooms here, super lightweight, and all you do to use them is you simply rehydrate them in some hot water. Let them sit for 20 to 30 minutes at the minimum so that they can reconstitute. And then what you're left over with is not only shiitakes that you can use, but you also have mushroom tea, which I usually drink with whatever meal I'm preparing. It's really soothing and it has a nice earthy flavor to it. Well, the good news is that in addition to button and cremini mushrooms, it seems like shiitake mushrooms are becoming more and more available at grocery stores. I know at my local store, there's a few of them actually by me, and they all seem to carry shiitake mushrooms regularly. You can use them in broths or stocks, soups, stir fries, risottos. The possibilities are really endless. I like to make croutons out of them, and I throw them on my salads. I think I'm going to start adding shiitake mushrooms to maybe my bone broths, but definitely my standard chicken noodle soup, which is a go-to whenever me or someone in my family is feeling under the weather. If you enjoy learning about the health benefits of various vegetables, in this video coming up on the screen, I discuss the health benefits of Jerusalem artichokes. So if you feel like watching that, I will see you over there.